guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Hello my people, I greet everybody. Una do well, so una take the help me take the share, comment, like. I really appreciate una well. Na me una sister Touchable Mama. Abeg mo na help me share this video. My people, wonder shall never end. This video where I go put for una mona watch, una remember that woman where go Agodsent Foundation office. And she come talk say she dey look for her husband wey dem dey call Chinedu. Una go remember. I go put the video, I go still put the picture. When the woman come say dem first dey for Spain for many years. He born him first, I think he born one of his son for there, which I cannot remember because they get two pikin. So he can't go born one for Nigeria. We don't fair hear the small story about the woman. My people, una know say that they look for the husband, they go. So as a Agodsent Foundation come to say, they go try make they help the woman locate where this Chinedu dey, because nobody come dey hear of am again. He lead the family for house for the past 11 years. Because una know say when husband and wife marry, when they go Nigeria, not be say you go dey follow your husband dey drag documents. Now your husband now you go give the document make it whole, no? Now so the woman give document to your husband. I dey come. Now so it take comot. The woman not come know where her husband dey again. The man come comot, come go Spain. Say na Spain and they stay before, whether na Barcelona, no where they come they stay before. My people, as me they talk to you, so wetin Agodsent Foundation really promise say they go do, they really do one. They really locate Chinedu, my brothers and sisters. Chinedu not there for Spain again. Hey. He not there for Spain gay. Una know where they for see, he just did that Naija. Hey, they really talk and say wama gboma always setting. If has no keep person outside not the fit. Chinedu dey Naija with his family. He never asked for them. And the worst part of it, now small store when they say drink. I go put the video for Namona see am. Hey. Now, wow, just carry your family, come put for Naija. Just they come stranded, come there for Naija for there. Document everything, come expire, now wow. At least if not the woman come decide say okay, she no want go again, and she come sit down by herself. Now if for better because the man collect everything for their hand. They said the woman fit they call the man again. He not they go again. Nothing. Many people don't. If I say I feel see the video where the woman for talk, I go put on. It's still there for my page for there. It's still there for my YouTube for there. Where I talk and say the woman don't talk. Come on. The reason where your husband live there, I put on for there. When I check am on and watch am. Chinedu just dey Naija. Na agbo na dey for see this man. Hi. Now, wow, my brothers and sisters, pikin where they born for abroad. Person you come dey fear now to dey trust the husband say if you na go Naija, you no want give am your paper may you hold. I don't know because person not come know person where you can't trust. Who you want can't trust? If your husband fit do this thing to your whole family, at least good or bad, you must still see food eat for abroad for here. If food not there, characters there where they go try make them give you food. But Nigeria, no say nothing like that because it dey pain where they see pikin where they born for abroad because of the parents. They don't know their left and right. They can't carry them go Nigeria, go frustrate them put for Naija. And I know say documents. If the document not strong, you are your own. When you dey for Naija, maybe the document don't expire and you not fit enter again. Now you come now, you all be down. Even though say you go embassy, they not even mind you. Because if na passport, na European passport in your hand, you are free. Because those children now, they never give them. Now be the problem, because like say the children wey dem born for the Europe country, say dem give them passport, even though say a father come carry them go put for Nigeria for 10 years, 11 years, even 20 years sef. And the important thing say the passport dey there, even though say e expire, embassy dey for there for Lagos where they will take and go. They will really see say na citizen of Europe, they will give them, they will renew am for them again. Now wetin dem just to do na just to buy tickets and fly to this side. But once your document not strong, you can't go Nigeria, you can't stranded for there. They not go mind you again. They not go mind you. Before they go mind you, whether they go even mind you, I don't know. Because if you're strong, if your no document not strong, you not fit go sit down, say you want sit down for us, go take for there, without you not can enter again. Ha! My brothers and sisters, me I put the video, more and see say, they don't really see Chinedu, oh, Chinedu just dey Naija for there. E dey Naija. I be like say the woman na Benin dey stay. Chinedu just dey Agbo. He not look for his wife, he not look for his husband. Now only God know wetin happen. We will not know. Now wetin we dey see like this, now we dey carry the come the judge. Till we go hear from am. Because maybe Agodsent Foundation go talk to am, ask am wetin bring all these things, because we not know. Till if I see hear something, I go still bring am, I go still drop am for now. Yeah. Say more na see wetin still talk, because na only the woman side now we don't hear. We never hear the man side. Anyway, good or bad, even though say something dey wey the woman do, but what about the children? Now make me dey feel for many children well, and dey feel for them, because when they dey small, they see wetin dey happen. Tomorrow now, God come bless those children. They no mind the father. They'll say, you're not father. Now, why you not mind your father? Now, he born you now. What about wetin the children pass through the time when they young? Most of us, they will not think about this. Person like me, before I go judge you, I will say, e get wetin you pass through. Now, make you they behave like this. Because person will not pass through something where they strong. You know, they behave like that. Person where father with him understand, train, give am that love of family, of parents. He go still get the feeling of parents. Pikin where papa mama not train, when they live and wetin concern am, they not train am. When he go still grow, my people, when he go still grow, he can't become somebody. He not go still feel anything for those parents. Now the truth of the matter, sometimes it's the happen where we're going to talk say mother is supreme, mother is this. Yes, mother is supreme, but in be now be say mother way dey there for you, mother way not dey there for you. If you still get, you not go see her, you not go know her. Now be that one, my people. May I put this video for now? More na watch am, more na see Chinedu for Naija. Dey bongo, dey there. He get small stock wait for the said drink. Wonder shall never end, my people. If you get pikin, take care of your children because of your future. Because we go old. Now then, I go come they take care of us. Now the truth of the matter. Now the way where you take dress your bed, now you will take like that put. If you take care of your family when they dey young, when you go come old, they go still dey there for you. If you not take care of them, not just feel say if you don't old, they go forget, they go come take care of you. You are on your own that time. That time they'll come say these children, they be bad children, because they'll come they think people they think like that. Person like me, I not go think I go say he get wetin he pass through, wetin make am they do these things. Because if I not hear from your mouth, I not go judge you. Especially when you dey hear something, many things where they happen. When I see those children, they are very young. They see many things where their mother they pass through. Their mother they there for them, but Chinedu not they there. If those children can't grow, they can't be like governor of those state or governor of somewhere. You go come say they are my kids, they are my children. I'm so proud of them. But you were not there for them. You're not there for them the time when they grow come. And so it be, my people. Sometimes it not good make with the judge say because you just see mother is supreme, that is that your father na your father. It's not like that. Now person wey dey there for you, now you go still dey when you go still get, you go still dey there for and say I remember that time when my father come dey pick me for school. I remember that time when my mother, a cloth not dey complete for your waist because of say e dey find food wey we want give us. My people, before you judge, remember say person they pass through something where they hurt them for brain. Those children where they there, the day where I see the video, I feel for them very well. I feel bad with the mother no matter wetin. And the man dey Naija. My brothers and sisters, may God forgive some parents. May God forgive them. May God forgive them, because not be those children na him force them say we must come this world. Na born them. As far as say you don born am, you have to take care till you go reach 18 years. When e reach 18 years, you know say e don be adult. E fit waka with e two leg. No be now wey e no fit waka with e two leg. Small children, they pass, or they'll pass many stress. When they pass, they'll come depressed, they'll come get problem from their brain. Some parents no dey think about all this. Now deny the cause am. Now deny the cause am. Tomorrow now, those pikin go come dey behave badly. My brothers and sisters, if I dey think about this thing, e dey pain me. Anyway, may I put the video. God bless you all. One love. Na bye bye. Na ciao.
Hello, boss. I dey you. I dey ask am the price. You say the coke na 1.8 for the big coke. You say na 1.8. They say how many say you be need? You be need okay 10. Then your mouth na how much? 4.4. Okay, I know if you do something for me. 4.4. Okay, say na 4.4. Na im be for the this thing, the mouth. Okay. No, he does not sell. He does not sell beer. Okay, sir. Okay. And he has some spirit too. He has some spirit. Okay. And but if we spend like 20,000, I will fit get like 20-25K. We fit get what you want get now. Okay, boss. I agree to you, boss. I'll call you later, boss. Okay.